there is a new realization of how important indoor air quality is to our health, productivity, and mental well-being. Contaminants can remain suspended in indoor spaces for a long time, especially with low relative humidity. This is where Jackson Control comes to the rescue. Air ionization is proven to reduce viruses, allergens, and odors by wiping the air clean through bipolar ionization. As air passes over the ion blocks, millions of negatively charged ions are distributed throughout the space in seconds. These negative ions instantly attack positively charged airborne contaminants. When the ions come in contact with viruses, they remove the hydrogen molecules. Without hydrogen, the contaminants have no source of energy and will die. To distribute the ions effectively in the protected space, the ion generation must be tailored to existing ventilation systems. Air ionization is safe, easy to install, low maintenance, energy efficient, and highly effective in killing pollutants. Honest prices and highest quality to guarantee you clean indoor air quality. We offer technical support with all on-site installation. Clean the air you breathe with Jackson Control. Contact now.